Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into Navan, ticker NAVN, after its explosive post-earnings move. This AI-powered business travel and expense platform just delivered a strong quarter and raised guidance. So let's break down whether the momentum can last or if the valuation leaves little room for error. Navan has been on a tear lately thanks to robust demand for its corporate travel tools. The company helps businesses streamline bookings and expense management with AI, and investors are clearly excited about the latest numbers showing accelerating growth. Founded back in 2015 and headquartered in Palo Alto, Navan operates in the software application space within technology. It serves thousands of enterprise clients globally with an integrated platform that combines travel booking, expense reporting, and now even direct airline connections for better pricing. CEO Ariel Cohen has steered the company through its rebrand from Trip Actions, and with about 3,400 employees, the business continues to scale its AI capabilities to win larger accounts. Looking at the revenue picture, Navan generated roughly $700 million in fiscal 2025, up significantly from prior years. The bulk of that came from the United States at around $436 million, with another $120 million from other regions. Subscription revenue contributed a growing slice as well, highlighting the shift toward recurring high-margin bookings as the platform gains traction with enterprise customers. On the earnings front, the company posted a narrower loss than expected in the first quarter of fiscal 2027, while beating both top and bottom line estimates. Gross bookings hit $3.1 billion, reflecting solid volume growth, and management raised full-year sales guidance above Wall Street forecasts. Margins are still pressured by heavy investment in technology and sales, yet the trajectory points to improving operating leverage ahead. During the earnings call, leadership emphasized strong enterprise momentum and highlighted new AI features driving customer adoption. They pointed to double-digit growth in transatlantic travel volumes and noted the recent SaaS NDC integration as a way to unlock additional savings for clients. Management sounded confident about sustained bookings momentum and reiterated that profitability remains a medium-term goal as scale improves. Turning to the balance sheet, Navan holds a healthy cash position of around $584 million against total assets of $1.7 billion. Liabilities sit at roughly $500 million, leaving stockholders' equity over $1.2 billion. Free cash flow turned positive in the latest year at about $15 million, a meaningful step forward even as the company continues to report net losses tied to growth investments. For valuation, we are using a forward PE approach, given Navan's growth profile and available analyst estimates. The model fits reasonably well here because earnings forecasts are turning positive and the business is moving towards sustainable cash generation. Our MarketSnap fair value lands around $4 per share, while the stock currently trades near $19. That leaves the shares well above the model's estimate, suggesting the market is pricing in very aggressive future growth that will need to materialize quickly to justify today's levels. On the strength side, Navan boasts a robust balance sheet and accelerating gross bookings powered by its AI-driven platform. Weaknesses include ongoing net losses and negative returns on equity. Opportunities lie in expanding enterprise adoption and new direct connect airline partnerships, while threats range from competition in the travel tech space to potential macro slowdowns that could curb corporate travel spending. Over the past year, shares are down about 5%, though the stock has ripped higher in recent weeks following the earnings beat. The 3-month performance shows gains over 100%, underscoring how sentiment can shift rapidly on positive surprises in this name. My take is that Navan has real product momentum and the raised guidance is encouraging, yet the valuation looks stretched relative to our model output. If growth continues at this clip, the gap could close over time, but assumption changes around multiples or revenue forecasts can swing that fair value estimate quite a bit, so position sizing matters here. All told, Navan is executing well in a rebounding travel market, but investors paying nearly $20 today are betting heavily on perfection. As always, do your own research and we'll catch you in the next one. MarketSnap brings everything long-term investors use daily into one clean, fast platform. Explore stock financials, SWOT analysis, valuation ratios, 5-year analyst estimates, and our intrinsic value calculator, built with real fundamentals, not hype. All in a layout that's simple to read and ridiculously fast to navigate. And when you want to talk investing, join Nexus, our community where investors share valuations, posts, and stock discussions, all connected directly to the data. Use our Stock's Intrinsic Value Calculator to run and save real valuations with no spreadsheets. Share your analysis and valuations with others in the Nexus community. Get daily market summaries in video, audio, and article formats. Track the market with our earnings, dividend, and economics calendar. Our homepage gives you a real-time market overview with interactive heat maps, top market movers, and major index performance at a glance. Track daily performances, discover the most active stocks, and analyze performance across different timeframes, from weekly to yearly trends, and see which industries are leading or lagging. It's free to create an account, with optional access to premium forward-looking data. Try it now at MarketSnap.com and invest with clarity, not noise. That's a wrap for today's stock market summary from MarketSnap. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to stick with us for daily updates and deep dive SWOT analyses to keep your investment strategy sharp. Whether you're navigating short-term turbulence or building wealth for the long haul, we've got the insights to help. See you tomorrow.